In this video, I'll show you how to create a damage analysis. When you're in your map view, you can see the option here to add damage analysis. When we select that, it opens up our analysis toolbox. By default, the analysis will be named Analysis 1, and each subsequent analysis you name will be numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4 consecutively. We can rename this to whatever we want. This is useful in keeping track of what analysis you ran. You can run the analysis on the whole map, and that is the default setting, or you can set up a zone. If you select the zone option, you must now select this cropping tool to outline a polygon that you want the analysis to run in on your map. When we select that tool, we must now draw the boundary for the analysis. To complete the polygon, we close the first point. Next, we must add the crop group type. Different crop analysis algorithms depend on the crop group. In this case, this is a cornfield, so this is a cereal. We must also enter the crop type. Next, we must enter the type of damage. In this case, we had some wild hogs in this field that were removing vegetation and eating the corn. So we would scroll down and choose wildlife. Next is the most important part of the damage analysis. We must select a part of the map or the zone that you've created that indicates where the damage is. This is the most important part of our damage mapper feature, as it creates a signature for the locations you select to match across the rest of your field. It's useful to zoom into the areas you want to select for your damage points to get a better resolution of what the damage areas look like. You want to represent several locations to indicate the variability in the color ranges and the pattern ranges of the damage in your field. In this case, I'll put the first point down in the most severe damage place, which is the bare soil here. Next, I'll add a point to a slightly different color of the damage area to make sure that area is represented, and so on and so forth. If you have lighting changes across your map, it's really important to select the areas in the map that have damage if there's different brightness and darkness intensities. I'll select a few different points in this map as an example. You can select up to 5 different points. You can move that very first indicator because that's the indicator that is for the most severe part of damage in your field. So I can actually slide that to another location if I need to move it later. Next, I'll add information I'd like to see on the damage report. You can add up to 100 characters here for notes on the damage. Next, I'll hit Analyze and the analysis will run. You'll receive a notification when your analysis is complete.